Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture, I will guide you for a house plan in the dimensions of 72.2 meter by 26.2 meter. Length is 26.6 meter. Width is 17.2 meter. Okay, I designed this house plan for one of my client. If you need house planning, structural design, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. If you are anywhere, you will get a best house planning from my side on paid services, not for free. Okay, let's get started guys. You can see guys, this is its front. Okay, so this is main gate. Okay, this is main gate. So the first one we have the car porch. Next guys, you can see back side we have 1.5 meter. This side is also 1.5 meter. Okay, so this is open, right? Guys, first of all, you can see this is main entrance for this house. Okay, which width is 1.6 meter for this main entry. So the first one guys, you can see this is a drawing room. Size of this drawing room is 4.7 meter by 4.6 meter, and this is its window. Next, you can see guys, with this drawing room we have here the dining. So the dining room size is 4.5 by 3.5 meter. Okay, also guys, you can see this is the lobby. Okay, so this is the stair hall, and the width of this stair is 1.3 meter for first floor. This is stairs. Okay, and you can see its window also. Next guys, you can see this is the other entry for this family hall. Size of family hall, you can see 5.5 meter by 4 meter. This is the window. Okay, so next you can see this is the other window from this family hall to this stair hall. Okay, so the other one is kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 4 meter by 4.7 meter. This is the window for this kitchen. Next guys, you can see we have also the store from this kitchen. Size of this door is 4 meter by 2 meter. Okay, here guys we have 2 bedrooms on the ground floor. So this is the first bed. Size of this bed is 5 meter by 4 meter. This is its dress and this is its bath. Okay, size of this bath is 1.7 meter, this bath. Okay, and here this is 2 meter. And here guys, you can see this is the other bedroom. Size of this bedroom is same, 5 meter by 4 meter, and this is its dress. This is bath. Size is same for this. And here you can see guys the window. This is the small window for this. This is small window for this bath. Okay, this is the window for this one bedroom. Okay, so guys, this is the house planning in the dimensions of 26.6 meter by 17.2 meter. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.